Samsung is bringing something new. Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is around the corner with having a couple of recent leaks that can help to identify what we are going to get in the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. If some of these leaks are good and some of them are a little disappointing, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is going to launch in August with the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Galaxy Watch 5 with having 3 models. And it seems like Samsung is working on a couple of things which might not happen with the Galaxy Z Fold 4, but Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 apparently comes with it. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below if you want to see a better aspect ratio on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 in the display. According to the rostering, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will come with 3 colors. Black was already available. Now Samsung added 2 new colors. One is beige and gray instead of silver that was used in Galaxy Z Fold 3 last year. Another, he mentioned 4 colors for the Galaxy Z Flip 4: gold, gray, light blue, and light violet. Now I would love to see a beige color on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Let me know your favorite color of Galaxy Z Fold 4 in the comment section below. While talking about the colors, Samsung is also making some changes with the outer display and making it a bit smaller compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Ross Young mentioned this while talking about the Google Pixel Fold device. He says, Google Foldable will be smaller, standing at 5.8 inches as Galaxy Z Fold 3 was 6.2 inches, and Samsung is changing it with just 0.01 inches with the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Very difficult to notice the difference between Z Fold 4 outer display and Galaxy Z Fold 3. But it is now confirmed that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will come a bit smaller compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 3. And things are also pointing towards a smaller inner display as well, like the Ice Universe mentioned a week ago. The thing that Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will suffer from its battery, just like the last year Galaxy Z Fold 3. Now, with a 4400 mAh battery, it will be difficult for Fold 4 to give a better screen on time, and Samsung has no other option but to go with this, because Samsung is not increasing the size of a Galaxy Z Fold 4, so Samsung have to compromise on this with a smaller battery. Although Samsung will justify the price with the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and will give you a $100 credit on the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, it is not clear if it's just $100. It can be $200 since Samsung is cutting down the price by using different suppliers for less expensive parts than Samsung do it on its own. And Samsung is also going to optimize the Galaxy Z Fold 4 with new Snapdragon Gen 1 Plus, so we can get a better battery backup than the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Also, Samsung is adding a new Super UDG Ultra Thin Glass, new UDC under display camera, and new cameras compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 3. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below do you want to see a better aspect ratio on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.